So how do you divide fractions in the iPhone calculator? So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So the actual calculator, when we get inside, it looks like this, the basic one. So what we can do about it right now is click on the button in the top right and switch from the basic to the scientific, right? And as you can see right now, we have more features, so a lot more buttons. We don't even have to rotate the iPhone horizontally to access those, but you can see we have plenty of different things. And the thing which I'm talking about right now is the fractions are actually in there. So, the iPhone keyboard, let's be honest, is not ideal for this kind of purpose. But the thing that we can do really is to use this sign where, as you can see, the fraction in there basically turns it into the form that it puts it into the parentheses. And you can see that we have the basic division there. So technically it is the same thing as the fraction. So the only way really to type the fraction would be to put things into the parentheses and just choose the division, right? So you can see that is how I would basically be able to divide them by another fraction, right? So that's something that is not ideal, but that's just how it works. That's how we can divide the first fraction by the other, hit done, and that's the thing that you can do, right? So that's the first option. But outside of that, you can also switch to the math nodes, where you would be able to start a new one, and you would technically be able to draw in here and just also perform the stuff, right? So you would be technically able to, okay, so I actually rotated the phone so I have more space in here. But if you want to just divide the fractions, you can also use the math nodes. As you could see that if I use the same example, so I can use this, type in the division symbol, and I type in the next fraction. And now when I hit the equal sign, you can see that we get the same result. And that's how you can make sure that it works, right? So as you can see, we have the result. It all works fine. And it's actually much easier because I can actually draw it with our finger in there. If you have an iPad, you can also use the Apple Pencil, but that's the same thing as I showed you in here, where we were dividing the stuff, right? So yeah, that's how you can do it. It's not ideal, as I say, but that's what we have available. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later.